What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Poco F2 Pro. That's right, this thing is a gorgeous device. You want to protect it, and one of the issues is that beautiful screen. You want to protect it, keep it looking very nice, very sexy. 6.6 inch display, so you want to keep it protected. So I went ahead and installed a tempered glass that I picked up, and I also installed a protector for the camera. So you can protect that. That way you can lay it down. You don't have to worry about it. Now, I picked up this case from Amazon, and I'll leave a link down in the description below. And I'm using it with the case that came with the Poco F2 Pro. Now, what they give you here is they give you a screen protector for your camera on the back. And then they also give you the tempered glass. Now they give you two of each. I already put mine on. So, and here's the tempered glass that comes in the package. Real easy. They give you two of these. Real easy to apply and put on. Very simple. Now with the Poco F2 Pro, it comes with a screen protector already on it. So you're gonna have to go ahead and take that off. Wipe it down with the wet wipe that they provide inside this package here, and then you're gonna just dry it off with one of these. Very simple. And then you get the dust remover or protector here, so that you can the dust absorber, so that you can just boop, 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 then make sure everything's dry, and then you just place that bad boy straight on there and you're good to go. Now I would recommend that you put your tempered glass on at night. That way you could just let it sit on your nightstand overnight. And guess what? When you put your case in, you won't have any issues. As you can see, it's a perfect fit. No halo really to speak of. Now you will get some bubbles here when you put it on, but make sure you just kind of rub those out with your microfiber cloth or a squeegee or however you want to handle business, and then you're good to go. And then this on the back is real easy. They give you a little, this thing here, and it's pretty cool. I'll show you. This little tool here, you just kind of put it on your protector for your back. You put it on there, and then take this off. And then I personally didn't use this, but you probably could. Let me grab the tempered glass for the, yeah, you could probably put this on here somehow, and then you could, as you can see, put it on your phone. That might make it a little easier for those that don't have a steady hand or whatever, but real easy. And the same procedure for the back camera. Wipe it down with the wet wipe, dry it with the microfiber cloth, get your dust absorber sticker, make sure there's no dust on there, and put your screen print. Real easy. Now, and these are real affordable, not even 10 bucks, and I'll leave a link down in the description. Now this is for the Redmi K30 Pro and the Poco F2 Pro. They're the same size, build, everything. A couple minor differences, but not really in design. And this is the original case that came with the phone. But the screen protector has been great. No halo that I could speak of. Touch sensitivity has been perfect. I have no qualms or issues going back and forth, doing what I need to do. I'm rocking and rolling. That's gonna do it, man. I'm the Poco King. I'm out. Peace.